but I miss you though. 'Cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer.
Guys, I want to hill way up. Guys, funny hill. Whoa.
This is an hill.
I'm afraid for go down. I'm afraid for go down.
Guys, oh my gosh.
Are we there yet?
Yeah.
Are we there?
Isabel?
We don't want to go down back. Not go down back.
Cake delivery, guys.
Man?
I tell them, I'm not coming back. Man, it's a hill here. I want to go back down. You so far we can deliver cake people. Plus we're invited to this birthday party. So stick and stay people, you will see a lot of fun activity. Yeah. So this is the cake. Cakes by Kim. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith's World TV. We're out here all the way in St. Anne at a birthday party for Mama, is it Beryl?
Mama Beryl.
Beryl. Yes, so the team is out, or the family is out. And we're going to have a good time and celebrate her birthday with her.
79.
79.
Yes.
Wonderful. So we're starting with a game of dominoes. You guys know who is behind the camera already. And Isabel found a friend. Two of them.
Yes, everybody okay, having a wonderful time, guys. Yes, so you will see a lot more, guys. So stick and stay with the Smith's World TV. Yeah.
Domino game just start, but it look intense. You're throw around the table, you know. Yeah, man, this one give them 6. I drop some 6 for them people. Just wait and see, right? And I'm not a pro.
We'll see.
I want S blank now.
Guys, we're not gonna lie, it's a journey. We came here safely, but it was not pretty at all. First time here in Moneague.
Yeah.
But Daddy, you used to work in what? Linstead and so on? Nearby?
I used to work in Linstead, Treadways that is, and then we came by Mount Rasa. We had to move the site from location to location, so the last location was up there at the backside, where the mining at Mount Rasa. Right, so I'm familiar with this area.
Yeah.
So I'm not stranger from this area. Yeah, man. But today is nice, it's cool, so we're just gonna have a wonderful time with friends and family.
Yeah.
Right? So we have Bunny over there. We have Omar and his wife, beautiful wife. We have Shanti, Aiden, Isabel, Brother Randall, Omar, and Brother Brown. Domino play them in the people. Yeah, man. So we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah.
Right. Plus, Mama Beryl birthday,
Yeah.
very nice
Happy
woman.
birthday.
So Christian lady too. So that's brother living mother.
Yeah.
So you're gonna meet her later on.
She's turning 79, so guys, wish her a happy birthday in the comment section.
Right.
Show her some love.
She doesn't look it either. But you will see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wish her probably many more years.
Yes.
Another 20, 30 years. You know?
That
Let's
is
see.
it.
Peace out, people.
Yeah,
One love.
stick and stay.
Tuesday's my one.
Tuesday? Okay. Tell him happy birthday in the comment section as well, guys. Yeah.
Me and Mama Beryl is the two senior.
Oh,
Senior.
So, what the brother Randall? A young boy.
Yes.
A young boy, brother Randall, about 23.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Come at the same.
You see? Show respect to the elders, you know.
I 70 bracket, we are 70.
70s. Wow.
73
Amazing when you see.
September.
That's amazing.
It's amazing because life shortens, right? Young people are passing away, and you know, so it's amazing. It's a blessing to live
Yeah.
to see.
So
70, 60, and possibly 80. Yeah, people live to see all 100, don't it?
yeah.
Right. That's it.
No play.
No.
You're not supposed to can find that.
Right.
Guys, funny enough, I don't know what that was worth.
For that.
Angel, best wine on earth.
Wow. Okay.
Wine for years.
Ray and his nephew.
Yeah. Bonnie Ray and his nephew.
Pass it. Carry back.
It's an amazing view, guys. Let me see if I can zoom for you. Look at that. That's amazing. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys.
Brother, you can put your...
Also stand up and get it to like get behind on.
Alright, check in peeps. So we are gonna give you an update on the domino game. Seems like Omar the victor. Our Uncle Randall, right? Our Uncle Brown. Javi, Uncle Brown. Them man are famous with the domino game, you see it? See Uncle India lose. Alright. Winner. So the whole team out here, people. Yeah man, so today we are celebrate Mama Beryl's birthday.
79, that is.
Yeah. Mommy Kim, our sons are here. And we are going, and daughters as well. So we are going to give you an update on the food. You know, Summit World TV, it's all about food. You understand? And enjoyment. Peeps, it's beautiful here, trust me. Yeah man, breeze, nice. It's a lovely view as well. Yeah man, you can see the drone shots as well. So we have Uncle here, he's going to show me his banana wine. So introduce yourself to the camera, my boss. Barrington, great Barrington.
Yeah, as furniture man.
Right.
But the one of things with banana wine and cane skin roots.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right, so this is Uncle Livy, brother. So we're gonna see how he make banana wine, cane wine, and all sort of wine. So I'm gonna do a lot of that on the channel, peeps. You see it? So we are go upstairs, you know, go on our view, make you see what go on. Yeah, man. Pure family out here.
To be an intimate, so most important stuff.
Yeah, right. So we have one concrete. I think it's what a concrete wall on this. We can get a little peek on it. Jaja, wonderful. This is it. So this is gonna be a jerk chicken. Nice. Yeah, man, looking good. First, we see something like this. Yeah, man, look at it, peeps. Right. Yeah, man. So we have one. This look like goat soup. What you call this? Manish water. Yeah.
No, man.
I don't manish water.
No, close skin and chicken food.
Oh God, people are strong up today. Alright, so you know, the food are gone. So we have to get a look upstairs, you know. Right. Check it out, peeps. Up we go. Up we go. Want eh? If we put them on? Yeah, we could have get that, yes. Yeah man, so Uncle do his furniture work up here. Very skillful man. So when you don't want no furniture, you can link up Smith World TV and get on the furniture thing done. You see me people? Yeah man, today is a blessed day. Got this. Yeah, so we have these are what? Cane or banana? These are banana wine, people. Anybody who don't know if you make banana wine, Uncle I go tell you how you make them and how long you can keep them before you can actually start drinking.
This are not,
Yeah.
From the start, when you start, you get a sweet taste like
Right.
honey.
Honey, right?
Yeah, like if you start this morning,
Yes.
by this before the sun go down, you can start get
Right.
drink that a honey part.
You hear that, people?
Because it on honey before it on the wine.
You hear that, people?
So you
Nice.
can't, this not a thing can do this.
Right.
Yeah, and this a wine, this a drinking purpose.
Drinking purpose.
Yeah, drinking purpose.
Alright,
Drinking
Uncle tell you that. Right?
Drinking purpose.
So you don't have the cane,
No, it can't one finish.
the cane one finish.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so like how the cane one finish, he's gonna come meet us in Clarendon and make some for the channel. Right? So this is where I'm doing furniture work as well. You see it, very talented man. Yeah man, God bless people them here, you know.
When you make it, you have to take time off and ease off the car. Take time.
You see
And
that?
you will explore.
Explode, right, yeah man, because it build up a lot of pressure because of fermentation.
Yep, a lot of pressure.
Right.
So this I want to know from me preserve this I want to from more than 8 years.
You hear that, people?
More than 8 years, you know. More than 8 years.
Man, that is it. Alright, so we actually are gonna have a drink now. Right. Yeah. Sure. So you can actually put a piece of ice in it and drink it. What? You're sure this not gonna make we drunk or frost?
No, you're
No.
not drunk.
We are gonna feel nice.
But you have to get the ice.
Who is that, people?
Don't be ice. Don't be ice.
No, we don't have to get nice. We just a little test
Later
run.
we are going to do it.
Right, later we're gonna drink it with ice.
Right.
Alright, see Uncle now. Strawberry.
Hash.
Well, go up there so video
Yes.
too.
Hash.
Ash, ah,
Yeah,
cha
really,
cha.
man.
Up,
Really.
up. We like it. We like it. Yeah, man.
Careful with Campari, you know.
You chase it with Campari.
Campari.
I love it, man. God bless you with knowledge, man.
Yeah.
Are you
And this
supposed
is
to-
for drinking purpose.
Right.
Drinking purpose.
So,
But when if scientists try they can improve more upon you and find more things.
of course.
And
Of
if
course.
you drink this, man, it's good for your voice.
Voice.
Like if bone or so stop on your throat and so or your voice, it's good for your voice.
It's good for what?
Build up your voice.
Alright, me love that. Yeah, peeps. Alright, so me, I gonna try the banana wine right now. I'm probably Mommy Kim too. Right?
What is that to drink it, sir?
Banana wine.
That's banana wine.
Banana
Yeah.
wine, you know?
Homemade by
And the
Uncle.
Cane wine finish and
Right.
the cane skin roots.
Right.
And the energy drink.
Okay.
good for prostate.
You hear that, people?
And you drink this and you know have no cold nor anything no trouble,
Right.
you know?
Yeah, you can see the bubble them nice and well fermented.
Yeah, well fermented. Because we have them about 8 years.
Look at it, man.
And it's in unit, you know. They make honey. It turn honey before it turn, you know?
Wine.
Wine.
You hear that, people?
But the thing is, you know, get one like this, you know. You get it little and then you have to throw you like you will get one pint, and sometimes you will get 1 quart.
Right.
And but you know get it full in a melt out.
Right.
So when the banana you throw off it, then you get some more banana. When the banana melt out, then you get some more banana.
You could add more banana to it.
Yeah, and the thing is this now. You see if you put one finger banana in it, the banana can stay as long. Right banana?
Yeah.
Preserve.
Preserve the banana.
Wow.
You know like I have tried. That's how it preserve. And it good for you, it builds your cells. You build your cells.
Okay.
You build your
Cells.
cells.
Right.
Good man,
Good.
man.
Which is jerk pork and chicken. Rice
I
and
use the
peas.
vegetable, just a bunch up.
Okay, how you like it?
Good.
Okay. It's an update, guys. Ricky and Bella over here. They don't know. Really? Alright, we're gonna go in the kitchen. Alright, guys. So you have some lovely food over here. Vegetable, jerk pork.
Put the curry on this.
And this is fish, escovitch fish, chicken, and
Big up the chef.
yeah, big up a chef them in the kitchen. And we have some jerk chicken over here, and the rice and peas in that pot, guys. So yeah, yes, love the rice and peas, guys. Thumbs up to the chef them, guys. Chef them in the kitchen. Alright, and we have some jerk over there. Alright, guys, so everybody soon dig in. You can stay.
I'm thankful you so very much from the depths of my heart that you know could be here with me today. All my friends, my sister, my brother, my niece, my everybody, friends and
family, well wishers.
Look here, I'm here standing beside my mother, and it's been 79 years. And she is still unrepentant young. And we're thanking God that she is still here in her right mind, in her good spirit. And you know, she loves each and every one of us who gather here. From the depths of my heart, I love you. And every twist and every turn,
Come on, strong like me, man.
buried this evening on behalf of all your 11 kids that are alive. We stand tall and we want to say that we love you from the depths of our heart. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Beryl. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so guys, gonna blow the candle after 3, right? 1, who ready?
Yeah.
Blow out our candle. Yeah, that's it. After 3. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So grandma going to cut her cake. What will help her cut her cake?
Gabby.
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 After 3.
Put me out from your mouth.
1,
Look at the camera.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Right down, right down, right down. Wonderful. Alright. No, say them put cake here for cut. We'll go see grandma here.
Okay.
Yeah, black on the camera, man.
You want to go piece?
Miss Beres, and it's a beautiful church here who make that here.
You like it?
Okay, alright, Beres.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Sweet.
Yeah,
How you buying?
No,
I'm
from your son.
a eater.
From your son,
She
yes,
make
you
it.
Actually, make it? How you make them? Okay.
I will cook them on and then she.
Okay. It's lovely.
Yeah.
You get your rose now, man. We're not gonna give you after, we give it to you now.
Yo, Kate, yeah, make it look good. Put a smile for your face, sir.
Oh my God.
Yo, Kate, yeah,
First and second. First
Yes,
and second.
yes.
Second and third.
Give her the love. Give
Yeah,
her the
man.
love.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Tourism, and the crafting, like tourism.
Sit for many more years, mama girl.
You will have a drink, brother.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna take your photo and send back. Oh, I'm gonna say Janet can go forward.
It was a lovely day, people. Miss Beryl enjoyed her birthday, I believe.
And she loved her. Everybody loved the cake.
Yeah, so guys, remember, leave a happy birthday for Miss Beryl in the comment section and stay tuned for the next video.
And if you want a cake to make, guys, just link us up.
It's like him.
Guys, I know this video is shaky, but the road is very bad.
Gonna make the trek back to Clarendon. So we're currently in St. Anne, Moneague. So we're going back to Clarendon now, and it's 6:06 p.m. We left out from, I think, 9 o'clock?
Yes.
Sometime after 9. So we've been on the road for some time. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.